How can you fix low sound or very low sound on your iPhone in your alarms? So hey guys, how are you? On this video, I'm going to show you all about that. How can you increase alert or alarm sound on your Apple mobile phone? So just start this video from here. Firstly, we just have to go on the setting option of our iPhone here like this. And in order to increase your alert or alarm sound, you just have to find a setting called sounds and haptics. On the second, you can see below notification there is a setting called sounds and haptics. So just click on this setting. There is a lot of option here. You can see there is a meter to adjust your volume of your alert like this. So you just have to keep this volume up to the full, and now you will hear your alarm in the full volume and you will be alerted by any message on the full volume. So this is the setting you can just do. And the second thing, we just need to check that if our phone is on silent mode, just please make sure that before setting an alarm, your phone don't need to be on the silent mode. Just switch it off and then you can enjoy a loud sound on your morning alarms. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you like, and we will meet again with next and the best video to all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.